Okay, this video right here is going to show you how to make the puzzle that we're going to use for writing things in terms of pi. You're going to grab a puzzle sheet. Mine is pink right here. The first thing you're going to do is randomly place the letters A to P in each block, right in the middle. So I'm going to do that first. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So that is step one. Step two is you need to make sure you remember that if you have a radius, the diameter, I'll write this over here, the diameter is 2 times the radius. Something else to keep in mind is that the area of a circle is pi r squared, and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. You shouldn't really need your calculator for making this because we're going to give all answers in terms of pi, which means we're actually going to be kind of lazy and not type in the pi when we're multiplying and just tack it on the end. So what you want to do is find edges and simply write some radii, which is the plural radius, in. So I'm going to go right here. I'm just going to pick a random one, and I'm going to say r equals 2. And I'm going to make all my stuff inches, so I'm going to use 2 little marks there. And then if the radius is 2 inches, I'm either going to list the diameter, the area, or the circumference. If the radius is 2 inches, the diameter is twice that, it's 4 inches. I'm going to pick another one. Let's just say the radius is 6 inches. The radius is 6 inches. This time I might do area. So I'm going to go 6 squared and get 36. So my area is 36 pi inches squared. I'm making all of mine inches. I might actually go down the bottom and just say the units are inches, so that if I have trouble squeezing things in, I'll have that down here at the bottom. All right, I'm going to do another one. Let's say the radius is 5. I'll put it on this edge, and now I will say the circumference. Let's see, I'm just going to go 2 times 5. So the circumference is 10 pi inches. And I'm just going to fill this in until I have every edge covered. Now I'm going to be honest with you, these edges here don't have anything to match with them. So I still want to put random things on there. If you want to make your puzzle a little easier, you can put random answers that are way too high so that people know their edges. Or maybe you want to make yours tough and make sure you put things on there that are reasonable. Thing that I like to keep in mind is that I've already used 2, I've already used 5, I've already used 6 for my radius. I'm going to write these down here. We already used 2, 5, and 6 so that I don't use those again. Maybe now I'll do radius is 7. If the radius is 7, the area, 7 squared is 49, area 49 pi inches squared. I'm going to do a random one. I'm going to write up here r equals, I don't know, 999 inches. Nothing matches with that, so I don't really have to worry about it. Maybe I want to put over here area equals 1 million pi inches squared because nothing works on there. So I fill all this in. This will actually be the key. So make sure you put your name at the top and key. I'll check it. I'll make 2 copies, one that you'll cut up the little squares and put in a baggie, and the other that will count as the key. So if somebody dumps out the squares and puts them back together, it should be A, P, L, E, H, B, M, F, and so forth. Thank you.